Hi, this is Daria Shabbat with CorporateProfile.com. I'm here today with David Amirian, co-founder of the BrodyAmirian Group, a hot real estate development firm right here in New York City. Hi, David. How are you?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm very well. Thank you for being here. David, tell us about your company.
Sure. The BrodyAmirian Group is a development firm here in New York City. We are focused strictly on development, both of land and renovation. We are both developers and developer managers here in New York City.
You have an impressive body of work. What is the secret to your success?
The secret to our success is that both Eric and I started young in this industry. Eric Brody started in 2003 with the Brody Group, and I started in 2001 with HOH Construction. Both of us went to construction school, and we've been building for the past 10 years here in New York City. The second is that we have access to capital that other people don't have. Why? Because we're from here. We're local developers, and we've done things in the past, all of which have been successful, and now we're going to grow together moving forward.
Definitely impressive.
Yes.
David, you have been awarded the Best Conversion Award in 2008 by CNBC and CNN. Tell us about that.
In 2008, I was the owner's rep for the Satai Wall Street. It was a conversion project on 40 Broad Street. It was a 25-story building. It was a commercial building that we added 5 stories on top and made it into a 30-story residential building. Within this building, we had 163 luxury condo apartments. We had 4 floors of commercial tenants. We had a world-renowned spa, restaurant, and then we had 2 separate lobbies. CNBC and CNN went all over the U.S., and they came to our project, and they voted us the best conversion in 2008. It was fantastic. We were very happy.
Wow, congratulations again. David, tell us about the projects you're working on currently.
I think the one that we're very proud of thus far is the one that we've completed in the last quarter. We currently are building 316-318 East 3rd Street. It's a ground-up rental building in Alphabet City. We're going to be building 33 units, market rate, for students and for young professionals in Alphabet City. Alphabet City is a very hot and up-and-coming neighborhood. We're very happy to get that deal done. We're just in the process of construction as we speak at this point. I know that a lot of people are looking to build in this market, and I think by building rental assets, and specifically in hot markets, I think that's the way to go.
I assume you're looking for investors. Can you tell us who has invested with you previously and how have you been successful?
Sure. Previously, we had investors that were friends and family. You know, those people that have seen us along the way from 2001, from 2003 and beyond, and seen what we have done. Specifically, the Brody Group has had 5 loans in the past 4 years, and these returned all of them. And we have a great track record of being honest with our investors the whole way through, giving everyone very good returns. People love honesty. And what do people love more than honesty? Money. And if you go ahead and give those investors their returns, and the returns even exceeding those returns that you had promised, they love you even more and refer you to other people. So that's how we've been successful with our investors.
In these economic times, honesty is definitely very important. Where do you see the New York City housing market going?
I think in the past year, it's been a very difficult economic market in terms of development. We have gotten a construction deal done in the last quarter. It's been very, very rare to see many new construction deals in the last quarter, but Eric and I have gotten that done. Where do we see the market going? We think that for rental products, for new rental assets in the city, I think there is going to be a market. But it is very difficult, as the barriers of entry into this particular niche market are very difficult. It's not going to be so easy for new developers to come in. The existing ones, yes, they're going to build rental assets. You're still not going to see new condos and new condo developments really come for another 2 to 3 years. Do I think the New York City housing market is hot, quote unquote? Yes. I think that on a rental perspective, I think the rental market has been the hottest it's ever been. And the reason is that people aren't going ahead and buying new condos. They're going ahead and renting. And I think the vacancy rate is less than 5% in New York City at this time. So there's a definite uptake right now for rental assets.
Great. Thank you so much, David. This was definitely very informative. And if you on Wall Street would like to invest into a more tangible asset, visit bagroupnyc.com. We believe you'll be in very good hands. Thank you for watching, and please tune in again for more interesting interviews and hot financial news.